Hello everyone. I was asked how to change a PowerPoint into a Google Slides presentation. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a PowerPoint and a Word document into Google Files. So on my desktop, I have two different files. One here is a PowerPoint. The other is a Microsoft Word document. When I go ahead and click on the PowerPoint file, what's going to happen is that it's going to give me a preview of the document. I won't be able to edit it or anything or interact with it except just look at the file. However, when I click on Open with Google Slides, what will happen is it will grant me the ability to be able to open the file in Google Slides. However, it will still remain as a PowerPoint presentation. So let's go ahead and take a look at it one more time. We have it here. I'll be able to interact with it. It'll take just a moment. But as we can see right here, it still says PPTX. And so that means that it's a PowerPoint presentation here. What I want to do is change this over to a Google Slides presentation by clicking on File. And then I'll be able to see that it'll say Save as Google Slides. When I click on Save as Google Slides, it will then convert that file over to a Google Slides presentation, and I have the full functionality that I would normally have in any other Google Slides show. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Word document while this Microsoft PowerPoint changes over to a Google slide. When I go back to the Google Drive, I'm going to click now on my Word document. When I double click on it, again, it's going to give me the same preview as if it were a PowerPoint. I'll go ahead and click on Open with Google Docs, and it will go through the same process. It will allow me to be able to interact and edit the file some, but I would not have the full functionality that I would as if I would have it as a Google Doc. That means some of the abilities of being able to collaborate with others on the file and have it as a living, breathing document there in my Google Drive. So once again, it's coming up and we'll be able to see that we have it as a Word document because of the DOC that's there. When I click on File, I'll then be able to see Save as Google Docs. When I click on that, it will then convert that Word document over to an editable Google Doc that I can do lots of great things with. It'll take just a minute for it to change over, but that is essentially how you change a PowerPoint into a Google Slides presentation like this one, and then also how to change a Word document over to a Google document like this one.